Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio and we're going to take a close-up look at the StopTech Street Axle Pack Kit for the 2007 to 2013 E92 335 BMW models. Now, this kit comes with front and rear rotors and pads. It'll set you back under $600 and it delivers exceptional performance for street and track driving. Now, you can shop for these and over 1 million top name brand products at the Motoroso marketplace at Motoroso.com. And these products are sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimums. Let's dig in. Now, the part number on this StopTech Street Axle Pack Kit is 934.34011, and we'll put a link to it in the description so you don't have to go hunting for it. Our buddy Ricky's got a 2013 335, and he's setting it up primarily for street performance, but he's going to be doing some track days too. And he's got a little bit of suspension work, but he recognizes that the next step in lowering his lap times is in the brakes. So now let's talk about the features of the StopTech kit that's going to help improve your braking performance. Let's start with the most prominent performance feature in the rotors, and that are the slots. Now, these are cut in a way that have a sharp edge to them, and that slightly shaves a little bit of material off the face of the pad as it goes past the slot. That lets the material and the dust go into the slot, giving the pad the cleanest face against the rotor, maximizing initial bite and brake performance. And then, of course, as the slot is exposed to the air, it helps to cool and draw that material away. These StopTech rotors are also a vented rotor, which provides a little bit of space between the two braking surfaces and allows air to flow in and out, maximizing heat dissipation. And lastly, these StopTech rotors are made from a single piece of cast iron, and that helps keep costs down, but it also is a much better grade of iron than you can find in any OEM rotors, maximizing heat dissipation and longevity. Any BMW owner knows that BMWs are notorious for throwing off way too much brake dust. So my favorite feature about these StopTech pads is that they're a low dust formula. That means you spend less time cleaning that junk out of your nooks and crannies of your wheels, and it happens to also be better for the environment. Under extreme driving conditions like at the racetrack, a particularly abrasive pad can prematurely wear down your rotors. So StopTech has a rotor-friendly material that delivers the same braking performance but won't prematurely wear down the rotors, meaning you'll get way more life and performance out of this kit. And lastly, some rotor and pad combinations require a lengthy bed-in process. But StopTech uses a scorch heat treating process that shortens that bed-in, and it actually increases the cold weather performance, which is fantastic if this car also doubles as your daily street driver. So that wraps up our close-up look at the StopTech Street Axle Pack for the E92 335s, which is from 2007 to 2013. And we're going to be doing a how-to installation guide, so you can check that video out as well after you've bought the kit. You can shop for this and over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free at Motoroso.com. Thanks for watching.